Hello guys, in this video we will make this cute penguin for my papercraft shop, link in description. So, let's start. I decided to start modeling from the bottom up, that is, I started with the left foot, but since I haven't entered the blender for a long time, I got confused and was spinning around the bush, trying to separate the 2 points. Do not laugh. And in the end I made it. Next I moved on to modeling the leg. Then I made the base of the belly. And now the right wing. Now let's make the left wing. And now the right wing. Right leg. Now let's make a tail. We've completed the basics. Now let's move on to the interesting parts. Let's make the back of the head. Now face. The base for the head is ready. Let's adjust the penguin's pose a little. Now let's make the penguin's right foot. Now let's make the more difficult part, the penguin beak. First we create the base so that we can stretch it out later. Pull out and connect the tip. Let's correct the pose and small details again. Here I tried to straighten the face, but at the same time maintain the shape of the beak. Tweaking the details again. Now let's paint the penguin. Create new materials and apply them one by one. Looks good already. Now let's add red and color the beak and legs. We're done with painting. Now let's fix the details and pose again. By making him a little smaller and making his belly a little bigger, we made him cuter. Slightly dividing the face into parts to make his eyes. And so, we're done. If you liked it, please subscribe. You will help me a lot. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.